Hey, what's up guys, this is Abdi from 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐞 and today we are gonna talk about live text on iOS 15 and how to use it. Live text is one of the best new features in iOS 15. Live text allows your iPhone to recognize text in real time. Isn't that amazing feature? So let's try it out. Now if you go to the camera app in your iPhone, and here I have a box of mic and there are some information written on it. Let's see if camera can recognize the text. You get this little live text icon over here in the bottom right hand corner. You can see these little brackets are around the text that it's picking up. So if I tap on that, you could see it will recognize that as text, and so you can select all or just select the part of the text, copy them, and now if you go on to note, you can just paste everything that was on the box, which is pretty awesome. So that's how live text works in camera app. I think this feature is really helpful for students to convert their book notes into a text within a second, and then they can paste it to notes or send someone in WhatsApp. Not only that, but live text also work in Photos app also. So if you have taken any picture of address, just open that image. You can see here the live text icon has appeared. So either you can tap on that or just press and hold on a particular text that you want to copy. So if I just want to copy this address over here, I could just do that and then paste it anywhere I want. Also, I can translate the text if it's in another language, and I can even look at any address or name by tapping on lookup over here, which is really cool. One more thing about live text is that you can insert text directly from camera while typing. For example, suppose I want to insert some text, so just tap over here and tap on this live text box. You can see the live camera frame below, and the text are already catches by the camera. When you move the object, it will just redirect to the info it can catch. Once you are set, just tap insert, the text will show on the screen. How amazing is that? So that's all for the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Now I will see you on the next one. Peace.